Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fickle Minded. Today I am going to show you how we can find the IP address location of any given IP address. So let's start. My opinion is the best way to learn this programming is to start coding with small projects. So you try with small projects and then you can ultimately become expert in the Python programming. So now we'll see a small program that how we can find out the actual location of a given IP address. So I am here opening one new file. So let us save this file as IP location. IP location. Okay, save it. Okay, so we can delete this. Whatever is there. Can close this. Click. First of all, I am going to tell the limitations of this program. If someone is using a VPN, then we cannot trace since VPN will direct to different IP address. So you may not get the correct location of a given IP address. For this we need the module called geocoder in the Python. So let's import this module. Import geocoder in the Python. So if you don't have installed geocoder module, so you can do so by clicking here in the console and typing a command pip install geocoder, then hit enter. So I have already installed, so it should say like requirement is already completed. Let's wait for this. See here, requirement already satisfied. So I need not again install this module. If you have not installed, you can use this. We need the IP location. So let's first get the geolocation of that given IP. That's why we are using this geocoder module. So first geocode of IP of given IP, whatever IP you have or your own IP. So in this module you will using geocoder dot IP open brackets. Then you can type your IP over here, or you can simply type my if you want to find out your own location. So what I'll do for this, I'll simply take some example from internet. So I will type in the internet browser example of IP address. IP address. So if you see this, so okay, we are getting some IP address over here. So let's try this IP address. Let's copy this IP address and paste in our program. So be careful, there should not be gap over here. So we can delete this space. Okay, so this is our IP code we have taken from internet. Sorry, here O is missing, geocoder. It should be geocoder. Okay. So what we have done now, we have imported one package and we have one IP address. Then we are using that package to get the geological locations of that IP code. So first step is completed. So second step would be like we need to get that locations latitude and longitude of that IP. Using geocode only we can do that. So I'll type latitude underscore longitude. These are variable, you can give any name for this of IP address. IP, okay, is equal to, so you need to again use geocode packet, geocoder of our IP. Now this, for this we need dot LAT and longitude LNG. Longitude, we have the latitude and longitude of the given IP address, so we have decoded that. So let's try to show this latitude and longitude on the map. So for this representation we need a Folium package, so we can import Folium package, Folium. Okay, same thing, you can install pip install Folium. So these coordinates we need to show on the maps. Let's call this as map 1 and we'll show this coordinates Folium dot map. So this will represent these coordinates on the map. So Folium of location will be, our location will be latitude and longitude of the IP. And one more thing you can give here, like zoom you can specify here zoom, how much you need in initial stage to be zoomed. Like if you give more zoom it will give more details, and if you give lesser amount of zoom then it will show overall picture. Like I will explain in the later side. For starting purpose I will give zoom start as only 10 I will give. Okay, so we have represented this location on the map. Next this location we need to represent by some marker. So for same thing we can use the Folium package. So do in order to do this we need a command, marker command. So I'll show you how to do this. Folium dot marker, it will present marker. Okay, from Folium package it will take marker. Now we need to give where this marker needs to be shown. So where we need to show this marker, obviously we need to show this marker on the given latitude and longitude. So given latitude and longitude of location would be, let's go to, yeah, I can copy paste this same of IP. So on that marker, if you want to show some information like like we can show this is the location of that IP address, then you can use command pop up. So I want to show display information like um, IP address location, IP address location. Okay, so now we have shown the marker, then we have shown the some information on the marker, then this we need to add on the map. So dot add underscore to map, our map is map 1. Okay, correct. So after that what we will do, we need to save this map as some HTML file so that we can open this later on, open this file in the browser and we can exactly see in the map how where the location is. So first we need to save this map. So I will save this map 1, map1 dot save, and I will give like IP location, IP location, like that. Now in HTML, open quote, close quote. Okay, now we have saved the map. Now we need to visualize the saved map in the HTML format. So for opening we need a package called web browser. So we need to import web browser, web browser. Okay, so for opening this there is a simple command called web browser, web browser dot open. Okay, browser, and then our file location. This is our file location, html ip dot location html. So paste it over here, and you put comma and new is equal to 2. This new is equal to 2, what it will do, it will open the new tab in the browser. So you can see when I execute this program, you may see. Okay, so let us summarize what we have done. First, we have imported the geocoder package to decode the geolocations of given IP address. Then using same package, we have extracted the latitude and longitude of that IP address. Then again we imported Folium package to represent that on the map. So for this we have used a Folium package. After that we have represented one marker on the map, so that marker will be shown on the map, and then we have saved our location as a HTML file. Then to open that HTML file, we have imported one more package called web browser. Web browser, what will do, it will open the HTML file automatically. So you need not to go there in the saved location and manually open the HTML file. For that purpose, we are using this web browser package. Save this and execute the program, and let's see what location it will represent, because we have taken this randomly from the internet, so I also don't know which IP address location is this. So let us check. I also have same excitement as of you, so let us execute and see what's happening. Okay, so see, automatically it has opened the second tab in the browser. So we had opened this first one and it is automatically open. So now this marker, it is shown. So this whatever initial thing is coming, this is a zoom. So if we specify more zoom, then it will be like opening like this. Some more zoom, then again it will go into the deep. If you specify less deep, then it will zoom out like this. If you specify some 0 1 or 2, then it may show you like this at initial step. Although you can scroll and see what exact location is this. So this is the marker what we have presented here over here. So you can go and see this line represent this marker, and whatever we have written here, pop-up is equal to IP address location. I'll show this. You can click on this and you can see that see IP address location, whatever we are writing over here, pop-up is equal to IP address location, that will be represented over here if we click over here. So this whatever random IP address we had taken from internet is showing near some Palo Alto. Okay, so this is how we can find the IP address of a given location of a given IP address. So let us change a few commands and see how it is affecting. Okay, if you want to start zoom at suppose 50, then you can see automatically. Let us close this. Okay, so let us run again our program. See, now in the 50 zoom directly, it is zoomed in so much that you can see actual location where. So same thing we can do with zoom out. If I give 4 zoom out, then let us close this first. Okay, again run this program, then you can see the difference between zoom start zoom. See, it is already zoomed out and showing you the location. So this is it in this small Python tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and like and share my video. Thank you.